So my name is Talia and I'm with Team 3. We did sexual harassment in the workplace. Basically, we're going to go over the who, what, where, and how. Amanda went first and she did the what and the who. We're going to just review that really fast just in case you missed her video so mine will make sense. I made a slideshow presentation to go along with it. So what is sexual harassment? Behavior characterized by the making of unwelcome, inappropriate sexual remarks or physical advances in a workplace. So basically it can be inappropriate jokes that you don't find funny, inappropriate touching, anything like that, that pretty much anything that makes you feel uncomfortable could be sexual harassment. The who, obviously it can happen to men or women. It's not just one gender type thing. All right. And then where does sexual harassment happen? Obviously, since we're discussing in the workplace, it's going to be taking place at work. But it can also be a coworker that makes you feel uncomfortable outside of work, but it's affecting your work. That could also be part of sexual harassment in the workplace. All right, how to handle sexual harassment in the workplace? Obviously, the first step would be to personally try and end it with the person. Tell them, you make me feel uncomfortable when you do this. I don't like it when this happens. Try and, nip it in the butt before it gets any worse. If that doesn't work, you can always check your workplace and see what kind of policies they have in place for this kind of thing. Usually it'll involve some sort of talking with the manager, something like that, that'll get management involved so they can kind of step in and monitor things. You also want to make sure that you're documenting everything that happened so that way you have solid proof. You can go back and show this happened, that happened, this day, things like that. Just so that way you're always covered just in case. If none of that works and you still are getting harassed and you want to obviously have it ended, do something about it, you can file a complaint with the EEOC and they handle these kind of cases. They investigate it, basically see further into it, see if a lawsuit would be something that could happen, if it would help, if they feel that it's necessary, or if they feel it's not harassment, they'll help you out either way. Prevention is the biggest key in stopping sexual harassment in the workplace. You need to inform employees and coworkers about what sexual harassment is, because some people may be joking and they don't even realize that it is sexual harassment. A simple joke to somebody doesn't mean it's the same thing to the next person. Explain to them what inappropriate touching, things like that. I know it seems like it should be something that's common sense, but a lot of times people honestly either think they're just being friendly or things like that, and they don't know that it's getting taken to the next level by the next person. So as long as we're teaching prevention and, really telling people what it is so that they can prevent it, then I think that would really help a lot in these situations. Thank you. That's all I have.